What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard and pavers from flooding by adding in a channel drain, catch basins, and a pump station, plus running out downspouts up front. So let's get into it. All right, well, we're going to have a channel drain going across the shower here, so every time you take a shower, all that water can be collected inside the channel grate. Have it come down, go underneath, go all the way. We're going to have catch basins installed in strategic spots, because this is where I guess all the low spot is when water does build up and everything. He ends up having to try to push it all to the end, and it becomes a pain. So we're going to end up putting a sump pump here, run that underneath all this, having this go out all the way to where those trash cans are. We're going to be taking this downspout, run this downspout underneath, going the same direction. Everything's going to be coming this way, tying this downspout, have it come over here, and then we're going to tie everything together. The sump pump line, downspouts, everything will be tied to a pop-up here at the end. So let's get started. And here we go. Everything is completely dug out. I had to pipe a little bit just to see what I had going on here. As you can see, we are down to the level with it. I have all this dug out now to the pump station. Everything's gonna come out. Downspout, everything's gonna come out of there, tie in, and then go all the way down here at the end, where I'm going to have the pop-up so everything can build up, pop up onto the pavers and flow out to the street over there. Still have to cut one more giant root. Now, time to finish it and pipe it all up. All right, everything is finished now. Got the channel drain set up. All the water that's going to come off the shower is going to go into that, come out. Any surface water that comes in here is going to go into any of these catch basins. And then you have the pump station there. As you can see, we're downhill level here. All the pieces connect. Downhill to level. Oh, get rid of the trash out of there. Downhill to level here. Have it all so everything is flowing straight to the pump station. Completely downhill to level. Then it goes in here, and then it shoots into the pump station, which is completely all the way down the hill to level. Everything comes around. When it does pop out, we got the downspout here going, completely downhill. Everything's gonna flow into it, go. Pump's gonna pump up Y into it, continue the flow going all the way down here. Downhill level out here. Have it going across. Tied the other downspout in the front. Had to go over the cable line. Downhill to level here. Go everything to the end, where you can already see the water is starting to build up from the downspouts. And goes in here, fills up the mini dry well. After this fills up all the way, it's going to facilitate over, drain onto the pavers, and go out to the street. Now, to backfill everything and show you how it works. And this is how we test the system. Put the hose in the furthest back. See how the water flows, floods in, comes in. You can see it going through all of them. Going. And you see it over here building up. Now we just wait till the mini drywall underneath builds up, but it's also in the sand table, so I'm not 100% sure if it even will build up, at least not with hose power. It might take a while, but when this builds up, then it kicks on, it'll shoot the water to the front. So now we just wait for that, but you can see it going through all of the basins here. See all the water just flowing through. And that's what it's going to do. Anything that goes inside these catch basins, when all the pavers are put back, everything will just be able to channel straight into it and into the pump station. So now just got to wait for the water to build up to kick on the pump. Here we go, the pump kicks on, drains all the water, shoots it out all the way over here to the down pop-up. Now all the water has made it over here, but it looks like it's gonna have to take a couple cycles for it to actually build up enough to come over. And it's the same as testing it if I put the hose inside these downspouts here, which would make it go a lot faster. But we're gonna go ahead and let it pump again. So now we just gotta wait. All right, here comes another dose of the water. Still wasn't enough to fill it up all the way, so probably gonna need another one. So we just gotta wait. And remember, as it's trying to build up to drain out, it's also draining back in the ground. And this is where the pump, water comes up and just goes out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the hose in the furthest downspout so we can have some continuous water, because the mini dry well is keeping up with it. So as it's trying to build up, it's also draining super fast back into the ground. So now we're gonna go ahead and just hook it up straight to the back downspout and have it just overflow. And here we go, put it into the downspout furthest away. Everything goes across, ties in. This is where the pump meets it as well. It comes in, everything comes down here to the end, which now you can see it's steadily overflowing. And now it's just gonna pop up, continuously overflow. Just like that. It's gonna all keep going out from the back, going, and then steadily. And obviously when I have a rain event, this will be built up even higher. It'll just be coming up all the way. And then of course with the pump as well, it'll all be pushing all the water out. So everything can just come out, facilitate over, and go all the way down to the street. That's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your yard, pavers, basement, crawl space, by simply running out downspouts, putting in a pump station, adding in catch basins. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.